I feel nothing celebrates the end of summer like fall desserts. That's right. And in the South, we're finally starting to celebrate our outdoor grilling season. So let's cook something up that we can enjoy al fresco and grill. I'm making a cheesy peach mozzarella flatbread. Yes, you've heard me right. You can use any stone fruit and it's very simple. You can get ready-made naans and assemble them outdoors. Get the family involved if you like. Brush them with olive oil and then top them with mozzarella and peaches or nectarines or even plums. Ooh. Get it all nice and full. And then the piece de resistance, load this up, is a little honey. Drizzle it over. That'll caramelize nicely with the peaches. And then some pralines, some pecan or almond pralines. Oh my gosh, it'll just add that little bit of crunch. Now, put it in your oven or outdoor grill on high for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how toasty it gets. And then you'll end up with this delicious, cheesy, and melty flatbread. And like a caprese, I cut fresh herbs and top it with basil and or mint. And then it is ready to dig in and enjoy. For more recipes, check out emilyellen.com and allaboutthemom.com.